Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve upgrade to iCloud for Windows failed error in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So it can be installed for a few reasons: conflicts with the installed software, outdated system components, or corrupted installation files, additionally with the third-party software. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to repair Microsoft Visual C Redistributable. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings and then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung apps. At dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong installed apps. So click lang natin yan. So dito sa search apps ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. So type mo lang yan. So Microsoft Visual. Ayan, so automatic naman mga kaibigan once sinype mo tong Microsoft Visual and then mag-appear kagad dito yung Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. So dito ay kailangan lang natin i-modify, so select lang dito yung pwede nating i-modify. Alright, so ang next step ay dito lang sa right side makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots, so i-click mo lang yan. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung modify, so click mo lang yan. And then if you receive user account control and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And next step, so modify setup. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung repair. So click lang natin yan. So wait natin ma-complete yung processings and initializings mga kaibigan. Ayan, so makikita mo na dito na setup successful. So, you must restart your computer before you can use the software. And then next step, so close lang natin to. And other solutions na pwede natin gawin is to verify Windows install. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on the search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung services and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa services and services local, dito sa right side ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Windows installer. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and then hanapin natin dito yung Windows installer. Once na-locate mo na, and then select and double click. And dito lang sa kanyang properties at dito lang sa general, and then kailangan i-select mo lang dito yung automatic, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito sa services, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin ay same dito lang ulit sa search menu. And dito sa search for app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command keyword na %temp. Ayan, and %. So kailangan mo lang i-type yung %temp, T-E-M-P, and %. So one word yan lahat. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung open. And madadirect tayo dito sa storage settings. So ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung temporary files. So click mo lang yan. And then next step, kailangan mo lang i-check tong box temporary files. And then click mo lang dito yung remove files. Okay, so click mo lang tong remove files and then click mo lang dito yung continue. And wait natin na ma-complete yung removing ng temporary files. Ayan, so once na-complete na yung removing ng temporary files, and then next step, so close lang natin tong settings at dito lang sa start menu, kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix upgrade to iCloud for Windows failed error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.